Welcome to New York City, the place a cocktail became famous. The 90s are back, baby, and we are making a Cosmopolitan. So it's pretty easy to make. It only has a couple ingredients, and I just love the pink hue. I think it's chic. We have our glass. We just want to get this super cold while we are making our cocktail. A little ice water. The reason why is because if it hits the glass and the glass is room temperature, then the drink is gonna come to room temp much more quickly than we would desire. So, for those of you that don't know, my name's Elena Besser. Welcome to my kitchen. Happy to have you here today. We got a little overhead camera going on. My kitchen's kind of messy because this is also my home. This is where we're living. Part of the package is filming here all the time. My fiance loves it. Let's get started. You're gonna want ice. I have this beautiful vintage ice bucket. I'm not gonna use this because that will take 5 years, but we just wanna fill this. And then it's very straightforward, okay? Vodka is the base spirit in this. I like using Tito's, I think it's super smooth. We are using 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of cranberry juice, which is what gives us that stunning pink color. Pink used to be my favorite color, and it's not anymore. And then this is some orange liqueur. It's traditionally made with Cointreau, but I'm a lady on a budget, and triple sec will do just fine. A lot of the time, people also add a little bit of simple syrup to their Cosmo. I don't think it needs it. There's enough sugar in the cranberry juice and enough sugar in the triple sec or Cointreau that why add more? We are going to use 1 ounce of lime juice. And what I like to do is I love a citrus press. I think it just gets all of that juice out and into the drink. Fun fact, 1 lime typically has 1 ounce of juice in it. So whenever someone says 1 ounce of lime juice in something, they just mean 1 lime. Okay, that's literally it. I was looking around being like, did I forget anything? No, I didn't, because of how simple this drink is. So we're gonna pop the top on, make sure it's nice and secure, and then we are going to shake it, shake it. Okay, that's enough. Ba-boom. We're gonna dump this. Look at that frosty girl. Strain that into our glass. She's so gorgeous, holy hell. Like, what in the world? What's funny and very interesting about the Cosmo is that even though there's lime juice in it, the garnish is a lemon twist. And I don't really have any idea why. You know, they just wanted to include all the different citrus at the party. So what I like to do is take a paring knife and just run my knife across that lemon. And then I will lay it flat and I will create a nice little strip. And then we'll take the strip and we will just twist it around. Any of those oils we want to express onto the drink, and you just pop it right on the side. And there you have it. I'm Samantha. Let's give it a taste. It is so refreshing, yet it still has a little bit of that almost tannin pucker that you would get, a little bitterness, if you will, from that cranberry juice. The citrus in the triple sec really makes it pop even more. And if you can use fresh squeezed juice, please do it. You deserve it. You deserve that fancy fresh squeezed, okay? If you want this recipe yourself, just check the description below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, baby. Now you know how to make a Cosmo. Cheers.